The EY4541 14.4-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw uses a 3 amp-hour cobalt lithium-ion battery pack, which has high output and low heat generation to deliver twice the life of a conventional battery pack. The convenient LED work light is ideal for working in poorly lit areas. This indicator lamp flashes when GuardION senses it's time to change the battery pack. These lamps also flash to alert you when GuardION is preventing potential over-discharging or overheating of the battery pack. GuardION continuously monitors battery performance, providing exceptional battery pack life. The ergonomic inline design delivers a comfortable contoured rubber grip, which allows for less fatigue over extended use. Convenient location of the trigger and safety switch lock lever permits safe and easy one-hand operation. The jigsaw has a low center of gravity and low vibration design to deliver smooth and stable cutting. The tool uses T-shank blades, so no tools are necessary to change blades. The EY4541 has a stroke length of 3/4 of an inch and delivers 2,400 strokes per minute. The tool has 4-stage orbital action, ideal for cutting wood, and a bevel of 45 degrees. An air blow function keeps the cutting line clear. A no-mar base plate with built-in dust collection is available as an accessory. This jigsaw is compact, less than 7 inches in height, and weighs in at just 4.8 pounds. The battery pack fully charges in only 50 minutes. The EY4541 14.4-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw. Ask your dealer to show you the entire line of digital cordless tools from Panasonic.